Hi, this is Vitaly with Vitality Farm and Kennel, and I want to talk to you about a heat lamp. So I have a Premier's One heat lamp, and I've used it for several weeks now. It's one of the safest heat lamps you can find on the market. It comes with this protective grill, and it's made out of a pretty hard plastic. I mean, this is pretty hard stuff, and it's heat resistant. And it's made solid. You have to really put some force to open it up. Okay. And clicks right in. And I used it for my lambs. I plan to use it to heat some chicks. I highly recommend one of these. Be safe. If you like to purchase one of these, you can find a link in the description below.